Have you ever just stared at a blank screen, needing to whip up a presentation, but you're not even sure where to begin? Well, in this explainer, we're going to show you how to conquer Google Slides and build a really sharp, professional-looking deck in just 5 minutes. Seriously. All right, let's dive in.
Oh, yeah, we've all been there. You've got this great idea, right? But the thought of wrestling with some clunky, super complicated software just to get it on the screen, it's exhausting. What you really need is a tool that's powerful but doesn't feel like you need a degree to use it. And that's exactly why we're talking about Google Slides today.
So what is Google Slides anyway? Before we jump in and actually start making stuff, it helps to take a quick peek at where it fits into Google's whole world of productivity tools. You're probably already using Google Docs, right? It's the go-to for writing pretty much anything. Well, you can think of Google Slides as its more visual, more creative sibling. They've got the same DNA, super user-friendly, all saved in the cloud, but Slides is all about visual storytelling. So when do you use which one? It's actually super simple. Think of it this way. Docs is for the script, but Slides is for the stage. One is where you write down all the details, and the other is where you perform the big ideas. All right, you ready to create your first masterpiece? Let's dive right in and build a slide completely from scratch. I promise you, it's way easier than you think. Getting started is an absolute breeze. Seriously, you just head over to slides.google.com, sign in with your Google account, and then you click that big, inviting plus button. And that's it. You're in. You're ready to go. Okay, now for the fun part, making your slides look awesome. And you know what the best part is? You don't have to be a designer. Not at all. Google Slides has everything you need baked right in to create a really stunning presentation with just a few clicks. So the very first thing you'll see is this Themes panel on the right. This is your secret weapon. It instantly gives your whole presentation a cohesive, professional look. Just scroll through, pick a style you like, click on it, and boom, you're ready to type in your title. It's that simple. Your title slide looks great, but that's just the beginning. Now it's time to actually build out your story and really bring your ideas to life. Let's add some more slides and fill them with content to create a really compelling narrative. Adding new slides is as easy as clicking that little plus button in the corner, but here's a pro tip for you. See that tiny arrow right next to it? Give that a click. It lets you explore all these different layouts. It's a fantastic way to add some visual variety and organize your content, whether you need a slide for a big picture and a caption, or maybe one with 2 columns of text. Ready to really take your slides to the next level? Well, the Insert menu is basically your treasure chest of creative tools. Let's open it up and see what kind of cool stuff is inside. The possibilities here are pretty much endless. You can pop in images to make your slides more engaging, use shapes and arrows to highlight key info and guide your audience's eyes. You can even embed videos directly from YouTube to bring your content to life. The Insert menu is really your key to a truly dynamic presentation. You've done it. You've created a fantastic presentation. Now it's just time for a couple of final touches. Let's get this thing polished and ready for showtime. And here is one of my absolute favorite things about Google Slides. You never have to worry about losing your work. Ever. It auto-saves every single change you make, which means you can just focus on creating instead of panicking and constantly hitting that save button. It's a lifesaver. We're almost there, just 2 more super quick steps. First, give your presentation a name by clicking where it says Untitled Presentation up at the top. And then, when you're ready for the big reveal, you just hit the slideshow button to see your creation in all its glory. Yeah, that slideshow button is your ticket to a really professional delivery. The second you click it, your slides go full screen. All the menus and toolbars disappear so your audience can focus completely on you and your message. And there you have it. You've now totally mastered the essentials of Google Slides, from a blank page to a polished deck. But you know, this is just the beginning. The next level is making those elements move and pop. So the real question is, are you ready to learn how to make your presentations truly come alive?